Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove single or multiple pages from a PDF file without using any third-party application. Before we start the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button. So let's get started. First of all, open your Chrome browser. Suppose I want to remove some pages from this PDF book. So what do we need to do? Just drag this PDF file into a new tab of the Chrome browser. Now click on the print icon. Then, from the Pages option, select Custom. Now, suppose I want to remove pages from 101 to 109 from this PDF file. That means a total of 9 pages. So I have to type from page 1 to page 100 and type comma. Then I have to start again from page 110 to the last page, which is 253. That is it. Now click on Save and choose your folder. Then click on Save again. That is it, friends. This is the way how you can remove pages from any PDF file without using any third-party application. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. Thanks for watching this video.